Ryobi offers an impressive array of tools that will elevate your work to new heights. This tool brand provides everything from a foam cutter to a patio cleaner for people of every trade. So buckle up, as we're going to show you the 10 coolest Ryobi power tools that you must have. Starting off with Ryobi's all-new foam cutter. This trade-specific product is made for the pros and DIYers who deal with foam. With lightning-fast heating in under 2 minutes and dual heat settings, precision is at your fingertips. Carve, shape, and slice foam effortlessly with the hot wire tip, perfect for upcycling furniture or DIY projects. You can add stunning texture and detail with the precision engraving tip and create custom shapes with the hauling tip. No more downtime with the tool-free tip change system. On top of that, it's compatible with the Ryobi 2-piece system, which will expand the possibilities. Don't miss out on this versatile foam cutter that makes your projects a breeze. Here's another newly released tool from Ryobi. This is the Pole Hedge Trimmer Starter Kit. Its powerful 18-volt motor effortlessly tackles hedges and branches, while the 45-centimeter diamond ground blades deliver precise and clean cuts. With an impressive 18-millimeter blade gap, it effortlessly handles larger branches. But that's not all. The 115-degree articulating cutting head offers 4 positions for trimming flexibility like never before. And for those hard-to-reach areas, the removable extension shaft extends the trimmer's length to a whopping 2.9 meters, allowing you to conquer any task with ease. It's time to get rid of cumbersome cords and embrace the freedom of cordless power. Take your hedge trimming game to new heights with the Pole Hedge Trimmer Starter Kit. Tired of bending and kneeling to tackle stubborn weeds on your patio? Look no further than the Ryobi Cordless Patio Cleaner with wire brush. Its high-powered 1,350 RPM spin effortlessly eradicates weeds, grass, and moss from your block paving, driveway, and bricked areas. With a telescoping height adjustment handle, cleaning becomes a breeze for anyone. The ergonomic two-handled design ensures ease of use, while the wire brush guard protects against debris. Switching between cleaning brushes is a snap with the toolless brush changing mechanism, and the compact handle design allows for quick and space-saving storage. Clearing weeds and grass between bricks and paving slabs has never been this satisfying with the Ryobi Cordless Patio Cleaner with wire brush. Ryobi SWIFTClean, your ultimate solution for life's unexpected spills and messes. With powerful suction and a powered scrub brush, it effortlessly tackles fresh spills on upholstery, car seats, stairs, carpets, and more. Its cordless portability and lightweight design makes it the perfect companion for on-the-go cleaning. No more worries about set-in stains. With this handy cleaner, you have the power to spray solution, agitate with the brush, and lift stains with incredible suction. And the best part? The included 6-ounce Ryobi Oxy cleaning solution requires no diluting or mixing, making cleanup hassle-free. Revolutionize your cleaning routine with the Ryobi SWIFTClean and be ready to conquer any mess that comes your way. Get ready to experience precision and convenience with the Ryobi RBLDM20 Laser Distance Measurer. This compact and fast tool is your ultimate companion for accurate measurements wherever you go. Whether you're renovating or simply rearranging furniture, this device ensures precise length, height, and width measurements with ease. Its intuitive electronics provide continuous measurements up to 20 meters, while the one-button operation guarantees effortless usability. Slip it into your pocket thanks to its user-friendly design and access the backlight display for easy reading of measurements. With a low battery indicator, one memory function, and an automatic shutoff feature after 2 minutes of inactivity, this laser distance measurer has it all. Ryobi RY18FGA Cordless Fogger. This ultimate fogger is a game changer when it comes to quickly disinfecting large areas hassle-free. With its impressive coverage of up to 93 meters square in just 1 minute, it's perfect for tackling big spaces in no time. It sprays 40 micro-mole particles that can travel up to an incredible 4.5 meters, surpassing the reach of traditional sprayers. Atomizing chemical particles ensures even distribution and better penetration on hard-to-reach surfaces like the undersides of leaves and shrubs. Bacteria, mold, and more don't stand a chance. Plus, the mist disperses without leaving surfaces wet, making it ideal for large-scale indoor or outdoor use in well-ventilated areas. Embrace efficiency and effectiveness with the RY18FGA Cordless Fogger. It's time to fog away your worries and enjoy a cleaner, healthier environment. This is the Ryobi RBL18JB Cordless Jet Blower, your ideal partner for sweeping hard surfaces with ease. As part of the extensive Ryobi One Plus system, this blower delivers cordless convenience and is perfect for decks, patios, and driveways. Compact and lightweight, it tackles clearing jobs effortlessly. With a powerful motor and high-efficiency jet fan design, it generates an impressive airflow of 160 kilometers per hour, swiftly blasting away debris from any outdoor space. Meanwhile, the variable speed control offers versatility, while the built-in debris scraper loosens stubborn dirt and leaves. Say goodbye to discomfort with the overmold handle, providing comfort during extended use. Get ready to experience the power and convenience of the RYOBI Cordless Jet Blower and achieve a cleaner outdoor environment with ease. Here comes the Ryobi Lawn Mower and Grass Trimmer Kit. Let's be straight, it will transform your garden into a pristine oasis. With the cordless 33 centimeters lawnmower, maneuvering around your garden is a breeze. Adjust the cutting height effortlessly with the 5-position single-point adjustment from 25 to 65 millimeter, ensuring the perfect lawn every time. The ergonomic handle design offers 3 height positions to accommodate all users, providing maximum comfort. But that's not all. Tackle unruly grass and weeds with the cordless 25 centimeter grass trimmer, featuring a cutting path that ensures efficient trimming. With the Easy Edge feature, switching between edging and trimming modes is a breeze, saving you time and effort. The 2-handle design improves ergonomics, giving you full control. Ryobi R18 MT0 Multi-Tool. This versatile powerhouse is your go-to solution for cutting drywall, metal, wood, plastic, composite, and so much more. With its ability to tackle intricate sanding tasks, no detail is too small for this tool. Experience the ultimate precision as it effortlessly plunges into any material or cuts flush without causing damage to the surface. Thanks to its 5-position pivoting head, reaching those tricky areas becomes a breeze. Take control with the 6-position variable speed wheel, providing ultimate precision across various applications. And the best part, the universal accessory adapter makes this tool compatible with accessories from any brand. Elevate your DIY game with the Ryobi R18 MT0 multi-tool and unlock a world of possibilities. From cutting to sanding, it's time to unleash your creativity with unparalleled ease and versatility. Let's end up with the Ryobi Brushless chainsaw. With the equivalent power of a 37cc gas chainsaw, 14-inch bar and chain, it conquers cuts up to 24 inches effortlessly, while the premium full complement chain ensures longer runtime and faster cutting up to an impressive 128 cuts per charge. The 40-volt HP technology combines a brushless motor, advanced electronics, and high-performance lithium technology, delivering unmatched power, runtime, and durability for all your yardwork needs. With an adjustable automatic oiler for chain lubrication and tooled chain tensioning with onboard tool storage, you have full control over controlled, clean cuts. Elevate your cutting game with the Ryobi 14-inch chainsaw and witness the perfect blend of power, efficiency, and convenience in your hands. All right, that was the list of the 10 coolest Ryobi power tools that you need to see. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.